Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back at you today with another dumpster diving haul video. This one is back to normal, just a whole bunch of snacks. And I couldn't even fit them on my table. And I have more bags that I'm gonna film for another video for you. I just couldn't bring it into my house at the moment. My house is full, my table is full, my snacks are full. But I'm going to film that for you and then get all of that either put away or donated as well. So, starting with today's video, all of this came from the pharmacy, most of it from one pharmacy. They have just been throwing out so much. Let me put a clip in for you really quick. It's a quick one because the store was open and there were people all around, and you know how I get. I was nervous. But let me show you that right here. Guys, look how sad. Behind this box, it's just candy. So much. There's 2 bags right here. It's hot, so I'm sure it's all melted, and I can't even reach it right now. I'd have to jump in, but just wanted to show you. So as you could see, it was just filled, absolutely filled with candy. Twizzlers, Kit Kats. There were bags filled. Most of it was chocolate, and it has been hot, guys. So I couldn't take it because it had most likely melted. Plus, those bags are so heavy, and it's at the very bottom of the big dumpster. I would have to climb in to grab it. So unfortunately, that one I could not save at the time. But I did manage to grab all of this. Let's get right into it. I do have a little bit still on the ground here, but most of it's on the table. Starting on this side, we have one more Rogue Easter candy. This one's like a little poop emoji with rabbit ears, and it poops out jelly beans, I guess. So that's silly. I think there's a date on here somewhere. October 2021, so that'll be fine for next Easter. I have 1,000,000 bags of pretzels. There are 3 right here. I have 2 back here, plus some honey braids, and this bag, there are so many more pretzels back here. So just tons of pretzels. I also have these little peanut butter filled snack bags of pretzels as well. Those are good snacks, so I think we'll keep some of those. The regular ones, though, we will not be keeping. I'll donate those with everything else. Hidden back here, I have 2 kind granola bars. And these, okay, so these are just bare baked, crunchy, simply banana chips, but listen to the sound they make. It sounds like glass in there. Oh man. Yeah, so I guess they're pretty good for you. It's just bananas, but they sound awfully sharp. Behind that, I have 3 bags of organic Himalayan pink salt veggie straws, which are fine, I suppose. Those will be donated, as well as these Blue Diamond nut thins. These are kind of like crackers, except I think they're made out of nuts. Yeah. Back here, I have 2 small things of kettle corn skinny popcorn. And then hiding behind that, I have some store brand Funyuns, so they're just onion flavored rings. And if we're being honest, there was another one that I have already eaten. So there were 3 of those in this bag. And then next to that, I have more popcorn. This one is just regular butter flavored, and these 2, there's 2 of them, are white cheddar flavored popcorn, which is the all-time best popcorn flavor. No argument there. Maybe you guys feel differently, but I definitely don't. And then I have 2 of these Epic Crunch Tortilla Nacho Flavor Goldfish. I think that's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever tried those, so maybe I'll keep one. And then I have a whole bunch of these Made Good granola bite snacks. Some of them are mixed berry flavor, some are apple cinnamon, and chocolate chip. That one got a little melted right there. That's okay though. Next to that, I have some Chex Mix. I do love Chex Mix, so I think I might keep that as well. That's one of my weaknesses. I have some combos, some cheddar cheese ones, and some other cheddar cheese ones, just a different color for some reason. And in here, there's more combos as well. There's 2 more, so just a whole bunch. And then, like I said, we have the peanut butter pretzels and the big bags of regular pretzels, with more of both of those in here. I have 2 boxes of Pop Secret microwave popcorn. These I will definitely be keeping. We do eat popcorn here in this house, and they're not even past their best by date. So 2 of those, and they are butter flavored. So I'll just put those up at the top of the pantry, and we will eat them. Right below that I have some beef jerky, or not beef I suppose, but different types of jerky. These ones are turkey, and then underneath that I have some Applewood smoked bacon jerky. In here again there's some more of the little pepperoni turkey sticks. Here's a big one. Here's some more of the Applewood smoked bacon jerky. Yeah, so that's in the bag. And then right here, which you might have seen some in the bag as well, are Takis. And I love Takis as well. So I have eaten one of these. I think we have 5 left. They're just super spicy little chip rolls. Delicious. Now, this is a huge pile / little box of nuts. And there was a giant bag, this big, filled with just nuts. But I couldn't get it. It kept breaking. I even got inside the dumpster, but I still couldn't get it out. It just kept ripping. So I took what I could. I left behind what I had to, which is unfortunate, but I took quite a bit. So that's a good save. And none of them are expired. Look at that. That's just crazy. So, bunch of snacks for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I'll be back soon with more dumpster diving videos. Thank you. Okay, so I know I just ended my video, but I'm back. And I wanted to show you some things that I have made with my dumpster diving finds. I know a lot of the times when I am dumpster diving, there's things that I don't, like I want to keep them, but I'm just like, what am I ever going to do with these? Like all those nuts, so many. So I found a whole bunch of nuts not too long ago as well, even before this. Most of them were almonds. So I was like, what can I do with these? I don't even really like to eat almonds, but I do use almond milk. I don't like drink a glass of almond milk, but I use it in my smoothies, in my milkshakes. If I eat cereal, I will use almond milk. So I looked up a recipe, and it is extremely, extremely easy. So I followed that. I used one like bigger tin, I guess, 8.5 ounces, and then one of these smaller tins, which is 6 ounces. This one is salted, but I found that it's okay because you do soak them. So all you do is you put these in a bowl and you fill it with water so they are covered with water, and you let it sit at least, I want to say at least 8 hours. I let mine sit about 15 hours, so overnight. And then you rinse it off, you dump that water, rinse the almonds off, strain them, put those aside, and you need a blender. And you put per 1 cup of soaked almonds, you put 4 cups of regular water. So out of these, I got this whole giant, like this is big, giant jar, which is also a dumpster dive find. This whole giant jar plus a little bit extra, just from these 2 little tins of almonds right here. It does have to be sealed, so all you do is you put 1 cup of almonds in the blender, 4 cups of water in the blender, some vanilla extract if you want, or cocoa powder if you want. The recipe did say add salt, but I didn't because my almonds were salted already. And then you just blend it up for, I think it said 2 or 3 minutes. So you just let it blend, and then you strain it in a really thin strainer with some cheesecloth if you have it. But honestly, I didn't have any, so I didn't use any. I just strained it 2 times, and it came out great. Look at that. Yeah, so that's how you make almond milk. And if you have a whole bunch of almonds, I would suggest that because honestly, almonds are not the most delicious nut to just eat. They do have nutrients and stuff in them, but I just don't think they're that tasty. So almond milk is a great thing to use them for. Over here, this is blueberry jam / jelly. I kind of hybrided them. Hybrided? That's not a word. But I found these a whole bunch of these I found a little while ago dumpster diving. I made the tea. I used that in place of water, and then I used all the blueberries from my haul a little while ago. And I made some blueberry jelly with some acai green tea flavored jam. Absolutely delicious. And then this isn't necessarily a dumpster dive find, but this is dandelion jelly. If you guys have never heard of or never made dandelion jelly, I definitely recommend at least looking into it because it is absolutely delicious. It is literally made of dandelions, the weeds in your yard. You just pick them, take the green off, clean them, soak them. You make like a dandelion tea essentially, and then use that to make a jelly. So that was a super fun project I made as well. Both of these I had a ton of. I gave to family and they have enjoyed them. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you really quick. Once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.